In this video, we're going to explore the two new major updates Google released on NotebookLM last week. If you're already using NotebookLM, you know how powerful it is. Now on top of that, with these new two updates, NotebookLM is going to be insane. For the first update, NotebookLM is going to now use Gemini 2.4 Flash for the backend model while answering the questions you're asking for. You're going to get more detailed, comprehensive answers to complex questions that needs multi-step reasoning. For the second update, NotebookLM's most popular feature of audio overview or podcast is now available to 50 languages. This is going to break the language barrier that exists today in terms of consuming content. Why this update is so huge? Let's say I am working on a research on a trending topic where a lot of good articles or research papers are not available in my native language. Now with this update, I can go ahead and get the documents or articles or research papers published in a different language, let's say English, and then I can consume the summary of those papers in my native language. As you can see here, the integration of Gemini 2.5 Flash was announced in X on May 2nd. The 2.5 models are thinking models, so you should start to see more comprehensive answers, particularly to complex multi-step reasoning questions. Now for multilingual support in NotebookLM audio overview, NotebookLM audio overviews are now available in over 50 languages, and this was released on April 29th, 2025. Once you are in the landing page of NotebookLM, go to settings, click on output language, and here actually you can select the language you want. Now there are 50 languages available, and if you look at this, like English, Spanish, Italian, French, Latin, Portuguese, Thai, Hindi, Bengali, I think most of us will find our native languages available in the list. So for this video purpose, let's say I choose Hindi. Now it's a little bit tricky. Once you go down, you can find this Hindi here. I was struggling to search on Hindi and then find it out, but if you go in the drop down towards down, you can find out Hindi, Bengali, etc. Now let's say I select Hindi here and then save. Now as usual, I click on create new to open a new notebook, discover sources. Now I am trying to explore on this topic how AI is impacting accessibility to educational content. I submit. Now here, as you can see, you get multiple documents here. So for this demo purpose, I am just unselecting everything and keeping one of them so that I get response quickly. Now import. Now if you can see, the summary actually you are getting here, it's in Hindi. The same way we normally use NotebookLM. Let's say if I want to do this mind map, if you click on the mind map that's created, so the mind map actually is created in Hindi language. If you are not using NotebookLM till now, click on the I button and go and watch the video on my YouTube channel. It will give you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start NotebookLM and use the most important features effectively. Now, like other features, if you want to explore the FAQ, briefing document, everything is coming in the language you already selected. Now talking about the most important feature, that's your audio podcast. Now if you click on generate here, you have reached your daily audio overview limits, come back later upgrade. So I already have that audio overview generated. I'll go back and share that one. So this is an audio overview I generated earlier on Hindi. I just want to play this for few minutes just to understand like how good it is.
नमस्कार, आज हम एक बहुत ही अहम मुद्दे पर बात करने वाले हैं, शिक्षा में एआई, लेकिन एक खास नजरिए से।
जी, हम देखेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मतलब एआई विकलांग छात्रों और शिक्षकों की मदद कैसे कर रहा है, खासकर सहायक तकनीक या असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए।
हाँ।
Now if you look at this, you don't get the option to join within the conversation. That's the same thing you get for English language. I hope it will be coming very soon. But even without that feature, getting the audio file generated in your language of choice, I think it's a huge benefit.
और इसके लिए हम एवरी लर्नर एवरीवेयर और टीच एक्सेस के एक दस्तावेज वेयर एआई मीट्स एक्सेसिबिलिटी से मिली जानकारी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल, हमारा मकसद ये समझना है कि एआई सिर्फ मौजूदा सहायक तकनीकों को आप कह सकते हैं बेहतर बना रहा है,
बल्कि शायद खुद ही एक सहायक तकनीक बन रहा है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, एक ऐसा
I actually tried with other languages like Bengali and I found it really good. Now let's say you want to go back to English. You can go to output language and change this to default. Then uncheck this one, then check this and do a refresh. Now you can see I get the summary generated in English, but I still, if I go and click on load, I can still find out the one I had generated in Hindi audio podcast. Now this is not a new feature, it was already there like for English. Now even with the other languages, when you generate the podcast, you can go ahead and download clicking this download button. So it will generate an audio file and download into your local system. For me, this is a very powerful change that's going to enhance the accessibility of the content to different geographical sections of this world. If you like the content of this video, please press the like button and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like such videos, then please visit my YouTube channel Dactopian Dreams and subscribe.